Hey there, welcome to my tutorial on setting up multi-factor authentication, or simply MFA for your Microsoft 365 account. I'm excited to help you to add an extra layer of security to protect your information. Let's dive in. Step 1. The Authenticator app. For MFA, I recommend using Microsoft Authenticator app. To make it easy for you to find the right one, I've included QR codes for both Android and iPhone devices. Simply open your device camera, point it at the QR code, and tap the notification to download the app. Step number 2. Login. Now let's put your phone aside and log into your Microsoft account by visiting office.com or accessing your organization's login page. Enter your username and password, of course. And if this is your first time logging in, you might be prompted to change your password. Don't worry, just follow the instructions and reset your password. And then click Sign In. Step 3. MFA prompt. After logging in, you'll see a prompt saying Action required or more information required. Click Next to begin the MFA setup process. Step 4. Let's link Authenticator app to your account. In the beginning of our video, we installed the Authenticator app on our phone, so select Next, then Next again until you get to the Scan QR code page. Now open Authenticator app on your phone, tap the plus sign on the top right of your app, and then select Work or School Account. Choose Scan a QR code and use your phone's camera to scan the code on your computer screen. Click Next on your computer and it will generate 2-digit verification code. Enter that code on your phone exactly as it appears on your computer and select Next. Click Done to complete the setup. Yay! You've successfully enabled MFA for your account. Thank you for watching my first video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.